to day 4 of the 7-day stretch challenge, 5 minutes a day. Today is glutes, some of my favourite stretches coming up. So let's get on with it. 5 minutes of your day is all I want. So have a little bend in your left knee and then bring your right ankle across and just place it here on the left thigh, hands behind you to help support you, and then bring that left foot in as close to the bottom as you can get it. And now really push the right knee away from you and breathe. So holding these stretches for a little bit of sort of extra time. Quite often some people will stretch for a couple of minutes, but you really need to hold these static stretches for at least 30 seconds. A minute is ideal, but these are just, these 5-minute challenges are just some good ideas to give you at home to maybe continue on with these. Do them maybe twice a day or just whenever you get time. But 5 minutes, you might think that's not very long, but it will really, really benefit if you stay consistent with stretching. If you're more flexible, you will have less injuries. Generally, can't guarantee it, depends on your lifestyle obviously, but it's giving you quite a lot of information there. Let's just change over. So you might be here to start with, that's fine, but in time I guarantee that foot will come closer and closer to the hips. And again, imagine the left knee pushing away from you. This is again one that I tense in this exercise. So I'm trying to just not tense that left side. You should be feeling it in the left side. Try to relax. Drop the shoulders, breathe. Just use the breath. 5 or 6 deep breaths here. So I hope you're enjoying this 7-day challenge. I hope you've done every day. I hope you're going to try and bring it into your daily practice. These are really great at the end of a day at work or at the end of a workout, or even in the morning. Just, I would say, warm up a little bit first. Don't do it with cold muscles. You'll get much more benefits if you can stretch when you're a little bit warm, maybe after a walk or something. And then release out of that. Let's lie down. So again, cross the left ankle over the right. Again, you might be here, or lift the right foot, thread the hands through, grab hold of the right shin or the right hamstring if you can't reach the shin. So this is one, again, where we have to really just let go of the left side. Just watch what happens when you let go. Drop the shoulders, take in a few deep breaths. And try not to move the tension anywhere else. Try not to be tense in the face or the shoulders. Just try and relax into this. I know sometimes that's easier said than done when these stretches are quite intense. And then let's just come out of that, changing over, grab hold of the left shin. Imagine that right knee pushing away from you. With every exhale, try and pull that left knee in towards you a little bit deeper. And now just let go of the right side. Try not to be tense in the right side. One more deep breath. And release. And then let's just roll up. And let's go into pigeon, one of my favourites. So let's bring the left foot forward. So you're going to walk the left foot over to the right side of the mat. Come down, try and get the knee and the ankle in a straight line. Then you've probably tilted over to the left. So try and correct yourself. So you might be here, that might be enough, or you might be able to come down on forearms. So a little bit of information about pigeon. I couldn't do pigeon. My pigeon is still not perfect, to be honest, but I definitely couldn't get in this position until I started doing it every day, and then I could. What happens is sometimes the foot comes back towards the groin and it's not parallel with the top edge of the mat, so that's kind of where you're trying to get to eventually. So again, really try and let go of the left side now. That's where you're going to be feeling it. think of some happy thoughts here. You definitely need happy thoughts in pigeon. And also, why is it called pigeon? I'd like to know where that comes from, because I don't feel like I look like a pigeon right now. Don't know, what do you think? I just feel like this looks absolutely nothing like a pigeon. I don't know, maybe it's got a deeper meaning that I'm missing. Come up and out of that. If you know the answer, leave it in the comments. I'd like to know. Oh, style it out if you lose your balance. So right foot over, drop the knee. Again, correct yourself. It's much easier on this side. You might notice that about your body. It might be a little bit easier on one side. So now tell the right side to relax here. Try to relax the glutes, the hips. Try not to be holding any tension, using the breath. Holding these again for longer, minimum of 30 seconds, a minute if you can. Again, it will really benefit you. And then start to come up. Come round rather gracefully. Oh, thank you for joining me for this little glute stretch. Join me tomorrow for day 5. Please subscribe, it will help me to keep doing these videos. Let me know how you're feeling, how your body's feeling, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Oh, that went all out of sync. I hope to see you tomorrow. It was smooth, it was so smooth, the ending. See you soon.